Welcome, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making chicken, broccoli, and cauliflower stir fry. And I'll be using these onions and red bell peppers, some chopped green onions. I have 2 chicken breasts, skinless and boneless, that I've chopped into chunks. I have broccoli and cauliflower that I've washed, ginger, garlic, some water, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. I have some Moscato. Use whatever you have, any kind of wine, red, white, as long as this has a sweetness to it. I have some chicken bouillon, sesame oil, soy sauce, and back here I have sesame seeds that I've toasted, carrot, and cornstarch. So I have my pan ready and my grease hot, and I'm going to add in my chopped chicken, but not all of it. We're going to do a little at a time because I really want to brown it nicely. We're going to allow that to brown up. Okay, while our chicken is browning, I have some water boiling here for my broccoli and my cauliflower. We're going to salt it some. Bring that higher. Bring that back to a boil. And our broccoli and cauliflower in, now that it's boiling rapidly. And we're going to cook them for about 7 minutes. Just about 7 minutes. You don't want to cook the life out of them. And we're going to remove them and set them to the side. Set your timer, 7 minutes. I'm on my last batch of chicken. I cooked those 2 breasts in 3 batches. And we're almost there. Our cauliflower and broccoli has a few more minutes. You want them nice and brown, just like that. Let me show you one. Let's see. To that same pan, I'm adding my onion. Just going to cook it for a few minutes, and our red pepper, red bell pepper, that is. That's goodness at the bottom. That brown that you see. Flavor. Okay, the broccoli is ready. Turn that off. I'm just going to remove. You want them to be bright green, just like that. I'm going to remove and set them to the side. You can set them in the fridge to stop the cooking if they cook where they're too soft. Ready. I'm going to remove these. Oops, ouch. There's an oops in every kitchen. If you say there isn't, somebody's not telling the truth. Eventually you'll have one. Okay. Now we're going to make the sauce. Turn this pan back up some more. Let it warm up. Gonna add some water. I have no measurements for this. I'm sorry, we're just gonna have to taste, and taste. So you add everything in gradually, slowly. See how all of that flavor came from the bottom? So into this water, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little. That's it. I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. You could have used vegetable too, that would have been pretty good. Be careful with this. It's salty. Now, like I said, we're going to have to taste all the way through this. Taste. Tap it more. You don't need a lot, because like I said, it's salty, and you'll be adding some soy sauce, and it's salty also. If you prefer, just get the low sodium. You have a couple shakes of soy sauce. Taste. So far, so good. Okay, be careful with this. I'm going to do it differently. I'm not going to pour it right out because it has a big hole. Too much to come out. And this is sesame oil. And it's really potent. You should know that if you've used it before. I'm going to add a little. Taste. A little more. That's it. Taste. I'm going to add some pepper. Some wine. You can omit this if you want to. Just take it right on out, but we're going to cook all of the alcohol out of it anyway, so it won't be a big deal. I need some oil. We're adding in some oil. This is vegetable oil and olive oil mixed. Okay. Here we're going to add some garlic. Watch your fingers. This thing will tear your fingers up. It's a zester. And we're going to add some ginger. Just a little bit of ginger. A little bit at a time at least. You have to do it in taste. Okay, let's see what we have here. That is perfect. I'm going to add some green onions. I'm going to let that cook down for a minute. We're adding in our chicken. See how nice and brown that is? That's where you want it to look. Gotta have some patience though. Turn it up. That brought down the heat a little bit. Our carrot, remember, that I washed and peeled. But I'm going to, it just gives you the little string, see? But if you have a potato peeler, let me show you, I have one here, just in case. You can just use that too. It's just, it makes for bigger pieces, so I like this. And that should do that for that. Toss that around. And add in. I'm using this because I don't want to break up our broccoli too badly. I'm going to turn that all the way down. We're just about there. I'm going to add a little more that I had prepared earlier. Same thing. Just a little more. We're almost there, guys. Hang on. This and this. I'm going to make some thickening with our cornstarch and some water. Let me show you. Some cornstarch. Gonna add some water. Thicken it up. See how it's thickening up? A few red pepper flakes. Turn it off. Onions and bell pepper. I've turned my pot off already. Broccoli, cauliflower, and chicken stir fry. I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of that. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Share also. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And until next time, that's it and that's all. Later.